develops a, let me put it again here, develops a next word, develops a set. Okay, let me put it here, develops a set. The next word will be of. Let me again put it here, of. If I execute this, algorithms, that develops a set of algorithms, and it will go on and on again to predict the next word. Put an algorithms to predict. Okay, to predict. And if I put full stop here, let's see what it predict the next. Okay, it is starting with the. So like this is working as a text predicting the next word in a sentence. So the sentence is going to the tokenizer, which is generating the token IDs, that is going to the GPT-2 model, that then logits score for, which gives the score for all words, and argmax, which is providing the most probable token ID, and decode to have the readable predicted token. Let's call a variable called sentence. Let's name it sentence, and this variable should store a string. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Artificial that develops, and let's store is as a string to a variable called sentence. Now if you see the variable name sentence, okay, so that gets stored. Next we'll be converting this text into token ID. For that we will be needing tokenizer, and in this tokenizer, as the model cannot understand raw text directly, so the tokenizer will break text into smaller pieces, which is called tokens, and convert each token into a numeric ID. So we will give the input as the variable which we called above, sentence, and return tensors as pt. That is correct. So here what tokenizer does internally, and here space also matter, and the model uses subword token, so each token gets an integer ID, and here the return tensor is equal to pt. This is telling the Hugging Face to return the PyTorch tensor instead of Python list. And the last will be doing dot input IDs, so the tokenizer which actually returns, so this dot input ID actually extracts only the token numbers. So if I see, okay, so let's store this tokenizer into a variable called token IDs, and if I see this token IDs, so if you see this is the token IDs which gets generated. So if I see here, there are almost token IDs dot save. Okay, so there are total like one sentence and 16 tokens. So if you count 4, 8, 12, 16, there are 16 tokens total, and will pass this token into the model. So the current model which I am using is GPT-2, so we'll pass this model into that only, into the GPT-2 model with input as this token IDs. So this GPT-2 token IDs, the token IDs are basically passed through this GPT model, and this GPT-2 actually predict what token is likely to come next for every position. So if I see GPT-2 token IDs, okay, so let me put it the logits also here. I put the logits here, and let's call it 0, 2, -1. Okay, so if I understand this logits, so let's understand with this. So suppose if I call model output, and there I am putting into the GPT-2 model this token IDs, and if I check what is the model output, so this is the model output. So this is one of the parameter which I have used above, logits. So this is the causal LM output with cross attention, and inside this output is model output dot logits. So now if I see model output dot logits, logits. So these are all the output which I get. Dot logits are basically the raw prediction score. So this is the prediction score, and if I say model logits, model output dot logit dot save. So if you see here, so this is showing 1 as a batch size, 16 is the token position, and this 50257, this is the model which is GPT-2 here, GPT-2 vocabulary size. So GPT-2 model gives 50,257 scores for every token position. Now if here in above I have used this dot logit 0, -1. So this 0 is the first sentence and -1 is the last token position. Reverses. It takes the last token position. So the prediction for the next token after this statement, after this word develops, it will predict the next token. So let us see how it will do. So now if I put this output only, this output variables, which is taking the last token position. So if I see the outputs dot save. So one score for every possible token in GPT-2 vocabulary. Now if I say for example the outputs, and inside that if I want the 10, okay, so this is the output. Higher score is equal to like more likely token. So next step, let's find the most likely next token. What is the most likely next token? And that will be done by argmax. So if I put outputs dot argmax, so this finds the index of the highest score. So this is the token ID 16113 has the highest probability of the next word. This token ID 16113 has the highest probability of coming next. Now we need to convert this token ID back to the text. And how we can do that? We can do that using the tokenizer, not token ID, tokenizer dot decode, and put the input as whatever the probability value that we have got. The tokenizer convert this token ID into the readable text. So if I do that, so it shows algorithms. So this is the prediction after this word. So in this sentence, if I see here, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that develops algorithm. And if I run this again, taking the input, if I run this again, not like this. So now let's put everything at once. So let's copy paste this sentence to analyze it much better. Now if I put this sentence, let's delete it. If I put this sentence that develops, and then the tokenizer sentence will go to tokenizer which generate the token ID. So the tokenizer which I have put here somewhere. Okay, so here it is. The token IDs, let call here to analyze the next word again and again. Okay, don't have to press enter here. Okay, let's call it, and then this is the token ID, and then output. So there was output which I have put above also. If I see somewhere here, this not here. Okay, so let me put it again. Okay, so this outputs equals to GPT-2 token IDs and logits, the last one, and the last it will be tokenizer.decode, output.argmax. Okay, so if I execute this, so it will predict the next word. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that develops. Let me put it. That develops. Okay, let me put it into the string. Okay, so that develops. Okay, is a subset of artificial intelligence that develops able. Okay, something is missing. Token ID is equal to tokenizer sentence. Return tensors is equal to PT input IDs. Now outputs. Okay, develops. Okay, here the spelling is wrong. Develops. That is why it is okay. The develops a, let me put it again here. The develops a next word, develops a set. Okay, let me put it here. Develops a set. The next word will be of. Let me again put it here. Of. Execute this. Algorithms. That develops a set of algorithms, and it will go on and on again to predict the next word. Put an algorithms to predict. Okay, to predict. And if I put full stop here, let's see what it predict the next. Okay, it is starting with the. So like this is working as a text predicting the next word in a sentence. So the sentence is going to the tokenizer, which is generating the token IDs. That is going to the GPT-2 model that then logits score for, which gives the score for all words, and argmax, which is providing the most probable token ID, and decode to have the readable predicted token.